Hi, I'm Kathy Winger. I'm an attorney here in Tucson, Arizona. The areas of law that I practice in are commercial, corporate, business, contracts, real estate, cybersecurity, and wills and trusts. My clients are individuals and businesses. And I also am an adjunct professor at Pima Community College, where I teach a course on cyber law and ethics. Here's a little bit more about me, my practice, and my philosophy.
I believe is that I have a unique perspective because of my legal experience and background. I've worked as an in-house attorney for a number of years, and I've also worked as an outside attorney. And those two experiences taken together affect the way that I practice law. The reason that I say that is, as an in-house attorney, I really learned about how valuable it was to really get to know my client. My clients were the people who worked for the company. I represented the company, and in my case it was a bank, but the employees of the bank were the people who I dealt with on legal issues, and I got to know them very well because we had a continuing relationship. And I got to know my client very well, which was the bank, and that made me a very effective attorney, I believe, because I had a breadth of knowledge about my client, the bank, and I also knew the representatives of the client who were my co-employees, and I was able to be a better attorney for my client with that knowledge. So the balancing act that I had to perform helped me to realize what I needed to do to help my business clients. And as an outside attorney, I do the same thing in my practice. I really view my role as an in-house attorney for companies and businesses and individuals who don't have an in-house legal department to go to. So what that entails and what that means is that I have an ongoing relationship with my clients, that I know them well. They typically come to me on an ongoing basis, and they know me and trust me, and I know them, and I know what their business goals are. And my job as a lawyer is to help them manage whatever legal risk that they're facing, but help them reach those business goals. I view it as my being a team member with business owners and clients, and working as part of the team, a business, and I carry that over into my practice, and I found that that makes me effective, and I think that is sort of a unique approach. As a result of my background and my practice, the advice that I give, it tends to be more pragmatic. I try to give advice that is actionable, legal advice that's practical and actionable, and useful, of course, to my clients.